How to install GTA on iOS or download it on iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install GTA on your iPhone. So follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Go to Settings and ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile data connection. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure installing apps is set to allow. Also, ensure that in-app purchases is set to allow. Go back and tap on Content Restrictions and tap on Apps and choose Allow All Apps. In Settings, select General and tap on Software Update and update to the latest iOS version if necessary. Now, go to General, iPhone Storage and make sure you have enough space for GTA. Ensure your date and time settings are correct. Then go back to General and tap on VPN and Device Management. Ensure that no VPN is active. Then, open Safari and search for GTA. Go to the official App Store page for GTA and purchase the game if required and download it to your iPhone. And that's it. You should now have GTA installed on your iPhone and ready to play. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.